Oh, angels sent from up above.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to complete the table and discuss more about HTML. So let's start. So I will first open file manager. What was my introduction? Yeah, introduction was my. So if I right click now, it is coming, it is not coming. Last day I was doing it in normal notepad, not with notepad plus plus. So it is coming it with notepad plus plus. So what I will do, if I open it, click on this, it will open with notepad plus plus. Okay, so what I will do, yeah, there's a way for this. So what you have to do, you have to hold this. See, I'm holding, and wait, let me do. I have to hold this and bring here. Here you can see pin to notepad. Bring the notepad and lift your finger. Okay, then you can see pinned introduction, this one, click on this, then it will open. Yeah, then it's open. Okay, so I have done up to this. I will open the browser for my work. This one was it's open now. Yeah, it's open now. Yeah, I have done up to the name class section. So okay, I will complete. Don't worry about the border. I will give the border at the last. I am just arranging the columns and rows. Okay, so here I have ended the T head. Then I will start again T body. Okay, T body means table body. Yeah, then I will copy this all, Control plus C, and paste it here. Yeah, then I will change this. What I will give name, I am giving my name. So I'm giving my name. So I am giving a class. Okay, I am giving this in Roman numeral. I am giving. Then I am giving section. Okay, wait. Yeah, section means C. Yeah, C. Then I am giving C. Yeah. Then I will press Control plus A. No, but if you do not end the body, then it will not work. Okay, you have to end the body if you have completed one structure of table. Okay, so Control plus S, then reload. Sorry, I have opened this. I will then you can see it's done. Here is Sagnik, my name, and here is my class, and here is my section. So this way I will do. I will write again. I will write two more names and the class and section. Okay, from my choice I am doing. Okay, I will close it. This one I will close it. I will not save it because I am doing it with this notepad. Okay, so I will close this also. I have mistakenly open it. So then I will again you have to start body, T body, and then you have to again Control plus C, type Control plus C for copying this, plus C, and then V, and then I will write more name. I am writing Ram. Yeah, Ram. I am writing Ram. I am writing Ram. Okay, so then I will write the class. I will write 4. Okay, 4 in Roman numeral, and section I will write A. Then I will end the body, T body. Yeah, then completed. Then I will press Ctrl plus S to save it, and then go to the browser, and then it is also added, as you can see. Okay, so now in this way I will also do another one. Okay, I will also start T body, and then this, and start T body, and then this. Okay, so I will again copy this. Yeah, I will copy, Ctrl plus C, and then here Ctrl plus V. Okay, then I will make it sum. I will make it sum. I will make it so. Here it's now given, and this I will keep 6. Okay, 6. Here 6, and then I will keep it B. So Ctrl plus, oh, I forgot to end the body and done a mistake here. Then B, then Ctrl plus, oh, I forgot to end the body. I will end the body, T body, then this, then Ctrl plus S, then open the browser and reload. Then you can see it's now Sam. Okay, so now I will make the border. For doing the border, what you have to do? So simply open and table border. Okay, you have to erase, and here you have to do table border equal to inverted comma, and then I will give it 2 and close, and then close, and then Ctrl plus S. Okay, wait, what I have to do here? Okay, wait for some time. I have to see my mistake. Okay, I have already make a copy for that. Okay, so I will see the mistake from there. Okay, so I am going to see, yeah, this one. Okay, wait, please give me some time. What a table, and edit with Notepad plus plus. And I have border, table border. Okay, table border. I have to write this in the table. Okay, then I will think it work. Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus X, then Ctrl plus S, save, and then reload here. Then you can see it's done. So now you can see the table is looking beautiful, and I hope that you are thinking about the border, because a table cannot be with a border. So now I have made it. So guys, I will also change the background color. Okay, so I'm changing the background color, bg color equal to, I'm giving it green. Yeah, then Ctrl plus S, and then reload here. Now you can see it's now green. Okay, so I have done up to this now. If you have any doubt, please comment down. And I'm not going into the next part in very detail. I will come to that in next video. I am just telling you the some basic things that you have to do. Okay, so I have saved it. Okay, so I will close it. Okay, I am not closing, I am ending it, I am showing it here only. In the next video that I am going to do is inserting a hyperlink. Okay, so for inserting an hyperlink you have to type this one a and then href. Okay, then you have to press equal to href, you press equal to, then you have to give the link and the title. Then you have to, I have only said you the tag. Okay, only the tag I have said you. I will again come in the next video with inserting hyperlinks. Okay, so hope you understood up to what I have done. I am showing you the table once again. Here is the table. Okay, I am adding more name. If you could not understand in this, okay, I am adding more one more name. Okay, so I will add it. I will again start the body, and one thing I want to tell you that HTML is very easy, as I am feeling easy. Only have to understand the basic theory, the basic concepts of HTML to design website. As I am doing, I am hoping that you can understand, and learning HTML time by time. Okay, so I will add more. So I will Control plus C, then here Control plus V. Yeah, then I will make it, what I will make it, I am making it Rohit. Okay, Rohit. Yeah, Rohit. I will with the class I have given here, I will give it 7, and then I will give it, okay, D. I am giving it D. Okay, so I will again in the body. Always remember the full forms. TD means table data, head means table head, and TR means table row. As you can see, TR means table row, and T body means table body. Okay, here you can see I have ended the row at the last. Okay, in this concept you have to do HTML by keeping the points in mind. So I have ended it, Control plus S. As I've said that by not saving it you cannot see the updated content. Okay, by reloading, then you can see it added. I hope that now you could understood. So guys, this was only for the first video, so meet you again in the next video. Till then, goodbye, stay safe, stay tuned.